What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Motherfucker coming at you on a Sunday evening here at the garage of Casa de Decker. As you can see, don't want to give you too much, but I got the Durango back here. Jolene is back in the garage. I'm just doing really an interior cleanup. She was sitting in the body shop with doors off, glass out, and she got dusty. I mean, not dirty, but dusty, and man, unsat. So I'm doing a quick cleanup. Let me give you a little quick rundown of what we've done. Okay, so just a quick little rundown. We wiped everything down, blew it out, vacuumed, blew down all between the cracks. I mean, there was dust everywhere. So as you can see, you know what? Looks brand new again. I mean, honestly, it does look pretty good. Yes, that is to my standard. Beautiful, beautiful. Yes, I have floor mats for the floor mats. I keep it looking new for as long as possible. So, if anybody has these WeatherTech mats, you know they're rubbery. They can show some wear. I found that using this Worth Cockpit Care, spraying on the mats, kind of rejuvenates them pretty good. This one is the driver's side, so it gets the most wear and tear. But spray this on, it acts like an Armor All, but when it soaks in and dries off, it's not greasy. So this one is kind of splotchy, but this gets the most wear. But you can see that one looks fantastic. So we also have suede and then leather exterior. Chemical Guys, leather scent. I use it for Lucille because she's got full leather. But a couple spritz of the leather scent on the suede. Does not stain, smells fantastic. And then I take some of the sprayable leather cleaner conditioner when we don't have a lot of dirt going on, and just spray it on a nice soft microfiber, and it gives a nice clean look. You know, conditions the leather, doesn't leave it greasy, and just leaves a magnificent smell inside your vehicle. So I use my Adams Polish company chemicals on the exterior, but Chemical Guys, man, they got a beat. I mean, they got a fucking, it's the shit. So I'm gonna finish this up, wipe down all the leather. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. More Durango stuff coming, more Ram stuff coming. Enjoy your Sunday. Remember, motherfucker loves you.